Hard?
I love this hard. I love doing soldering. Look, you do it, but the small side goes this way, and you use turn it around and use the soldering iron. Don't hold the metal bit, and you solder it, and you have to touch it together.
That's it. Well done.
And don't hold this too close.
Well done. That's good instructions.
And if it's dirty, you just wipe it.
That's it.
And when you hold it for longer, it goes that sound.
Hissing.
Heating sound.
Hissing.
And hold the top bit so it doesn't fly away, and use the end of the bit.
That's it. It's nearly there.
And don't forget.
Don't forget polarity.
Polarity, and don't get the wrong one of this little and the big.
Yeah. The short leg and the long leg.
Yeah.
Good one. Well done.
Sometimes that sticks together.
Yeah, you have to hit it again, don't you? Well done, perfect. Show me that.
And don't
solder.
forget to put that back in there, it might burn.
Yeah.
And if you do the end bit right that, it takes harder to chop it off, but I can do the end bit. Look.
Just use the tip.
Yeah. Use the tip like this.
Mm.
And you have to follow instructions. First one of these, second one of these, and third one of these, and fourth one of these.
That's it.
And fifth, you stick the battery together.
That's the battery, yeah, okay. We'll show that later when it's done.